Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ho'oponopono. What is Ho'oponopono? Maybe some of you have heard it before, some of you haven't heard it before. I'm going to do the best explanation I can to break it down for you. I first heard about this Ho'oponopono and the blue solar water technique back in, I think it was 2012 or 2011. But I heard about it. It was an ancient Hawaiian technique that has been around for thousands of years. But it was made popular in a book by Joe Vitale called Zero Limits. You can check it out if you want to. Zero Limits by Joe Vitale. But it originated in Hawaii thousands of years ago, and it was made popular by, I wrote her name down. It was made popular in the 70s by Morna Nalamaku Simona back in the 1970s. Now, when she was teaching this to people in the 1970s, a student by the name of Dr. Hew Len took it and then brought it to the general knowledge of the world, exposed it to the world, and helped the world to understand it. He, back in Hawaii, used the Ho'oponopono technique to cure mental patients in a mental institution back in Hawaii. Please check that for yourself. Do your own due diligence and research. He cured people in a mental hospital, all of them, with this Ho'oponopono technique. So I was very curious. I said, let me go and investigate and read it. I did my work. I found out that Ho'oponopono is like a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness. By reciting a certain mantra, you can give or gain forgiveness and reconciliation, basically erasing and neutralizing karma, a layer of karma. We're all like onions with various layers, with various layers. So when we say this mantra, each layer goes, it just transmutes, dissolves, goes to zero. Check it out for yourself, Ho'oponopono. So I'm explaining to you how I use it myself for manifestation, or even using this blue solar water technique. I'll explain this to you in a minute. So back to Ho'oponopono. It's by reciting, saying, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Those four things in any combination, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, in any combination, clears one layer of karma off. So when you say it as a mantra over and over again, you're consciously cleansing karma, spiritual. It's a cleansing tool. Check it out yourself. It's removing layers and layers of karma. So just by saying that statement over and over again, over and over again, over and over again, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. See, you're watching it, you're knowing what I'm saying. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You see how that works? It's erasing karma. It's just erasing it. So you can be saying it over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. It's an ancient Hawaiian practice that has been around for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. You're getting it today. You're understanding it. You can go check my notes if you want. Go and do your due diligence and study it. That's what Ho'oponopono is. Now, to the blue solar water technique. I learned this one back when I was studying Ho'oponopono for the first time for manifestation. For all those of you who like to manifest, This is a manifestation technique. We're creators, but creators use techniques. Manifestation is a technique. Remember, I don't teach manifestation. I teach creation. This is just a technique. The blue solar water bottle. So you put clean water in here, close it, put it in sunlight. The sun solarizes the water. Whatever that means, go and check it out. But it solarizes the water. And then you can think of what you want to manifest or create. And then you simply recite or think what it is you want or what you desire, and then you can include, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. It's a manifestation technique. It's been around. Try it. I'm just merging the two. I've been doing that for so many years. I have the water bottles, I give them to my friends and family. Boom. Plus, you know, it's solarized. Also, too, to step it up a bit, you could also try putting it in the moonlight. It's something I've been doing for so many years. I've had this bottle years, since like 2012, 2011, I can't remember, but around that time. So I'd suggest give it a try. And when you are investigating and researching it on your own, which I do hope you do, and start to use this practice, requires nothing at all, just getting yourself the bottle, use it, fill it up with water, try it, put it in plants, watch your plants bloom with that. Imagine you're drinking it on a continuous basis. I've been drinking it for years, since 2011 now, since 2011. I've been drinking it. Look at me. So, anyway, I wanted to share all that with you, let you know more about it, the practice, go and do your own research, Ho'oponopono, and really get into it. Also, before I forget, maybe this is just an added bonus, this Dr. Hew Len, Dr. Hew Len, who learned the technique from his mentor, Dr. Hew Len has a very unique approach to inner child healing. Yeah, you heard me right. Inner child healing. I'm going to leave one of the best videos I've ever seen and practice on inner child healing. You know, we're all trying to upgrade our self-image and be a better version of ourselves. So during that research and practice that I went through, I discovered that Dr. Hew Len has an approach to reach the inner child and to coax, to bring out the inner child in our memory. Because our inner child holds all of our emotions. Remember, our inner child was formed between the ages of 1 and 7. So all of our traits that we have, all of our fears, all of our triggers are encapsulated in that period of 1 to 7. I'll leave a link at the bottom for you to check it out about inner child healing and forgiveness and how to reach your inner child. I don't know if you've checked it out anywhere, but if you haven't, please investigate it. I'll leave the link below. I'm really excited about that because that really helped me to see myself inside deeper and heal certain parts of the inner child, and boom, the self-image just is unleashed. So I'll leave that link below. So I hope I was able to give you some nuggets of gold today. I think 3, Ho'oponopono, the blue solar water bottle technique, and inner child healing and forgiveness. Wow, that's a lot. Phew. You can know all that for free. You're lucky. All right, I got to go right now. Have a great day, everybody, and I love you all.